Samarth, you had sent us reports on how mock drills are being done. Just give us a sense of what's happening in Lucknow today. What else is expected? Of course, tomorrow is a big day, and the state governments, of course, have been advised to start preparing, isn't it?
Different mock drills rehearsals happened today. One is started by the civil defense at the police lines. We saw how they doused the fire when something took fire. We saw how the things were torched, and later a blanket full with water came in to douse that particular fire. Not just that, even we saw the rehearsal of the people who got fainted during that aerial attack by the enemy, and they were taken by the civil defense people to one particular health camp or the nearby location where any doctor could come. So these kind of rehearsals, not just men, even women participated in this particular civil defense mock drill rehearsal. Though it was just the rehearsal, it took around 3 to 4 hours for them to complete 3 different rehearsals, which showed the alarm bells ringing, the sirens ringing. In the first siren, they started laying down on the ground, covering their ears, covering their mouth, and in the second siren, they got up to save the persons nearby, the civilians nearby. These 2 sirens will be made during that if any aerial attack thing happens from Pakistan, and that's why the central government has ordered all the states to make preparations. And it is not just the responsibility of the civil defense, even the Air Force, the police, everyone will come along, because it was the day of the rehearsal, and tomorrow we'll be seeing the proper full-fledged mock drill in Lucknow as well, and the Bakshi Ka Talab by the Indian Air Force, while by the civil defense in the police lines of Lucknow. So it's not the end. Today it was just the rehearsal, and we saw how swiftly the people from civil defense acted to this particular situation, because it's not the first time they are being trained. They have been getting these trainings since years, because civil defense is one wing which comes under the administration of every district, be it UP, MP or any other state. So it's going to be worth seeing how this particular wing performs tomorrow on the day of mock drill. Back to you.
All right, big day of the mock drill tomorrow. Be with us, Samarth Srivastava, getting in those details. I'll try and go back to Mir as well. Let's see if Mir, in fact, is back with us. So to tell our viewers that this is, in fact, a nationwide civil defense mock drill, which has been called by the central government. On your screens right now, pictures are from earlier today, where the mock drill was, in fact, being done in different parts of the country. These are pictures from Lucknow. But